this, make money on YouTube without being monetized. Review products and link them to Amazon. Anyone can have an Amazon account, and if you have a large social media or YouTube presence, you can even join the Amazon Influencer Program. If you're small, not a problem. Anyone can join. You talk about the product that you're using. For example, this is a Canon DSLR 200D. I believe it's the SLR2 in America, and I use it for all of my videos, and it's great, and I've never had a problem. I've recorded 700-800 videos on this YouTube channel, blah, 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 blah. Please buy it from the link down below. See that there? That's an affiliate sale. You go and buy it, I get a small percentage of that sale. You get a product that you trust from me because I already use this camera, and you see how it works, then you buy it because you like me. It's a great way to get started. Now, you've got to bear in mind that if you're pushing it through, then it's based on your traffic. If you're large enough for the Amazon Influencer Program, you actually make a video and upload it to Amazon, and then they can serve traffic against it. I'll make a video about that in future. Hit subscribe and comment in the comment section down below if you'd like more info on the Amazon Influencer Program. Just type in Amazon Influencer. Review services. Now, I've been on this platform for about 10 years, and over those years, I've used so many things. Things like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Rev, stock websites where it comes to any of the B-roll that I use here, Skillshare for learning everything and anything that you imagine. I've got a load of things that I could suggest to you that would help you, but you've probably got a list of things that could help other people as well. These services are things that people sign up for, maybe pay a small fee, and in return, because they signed up through your link, you would get some money back as a kind of thank you, as an engagement. Now, I'm lucky that in my kind of industry, there's things called SaaS products, which is software as a service, which means that you need your editing suite and you need your optimization tools such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ on a regular basis. So if I help you sign up for that and I get like a small fee for every month that you continue to use it, then I get a recursive income, and it builds up an ingoing passive income towards me that helps support this channel and helps me make videos for free, because they're not free. Nothing on the internet is free. It's all about me helping you, and in the long run, hopefully, that washes back on me. But I'm not here to hard sell, and nor should you. I tend to find that affiliate schemes that are truly helpful, say for example you rent equipment, or you're using a specific tool or a specific software program. Say for example you're a designer and you use Adobe Premiere to do your t-shirts, or it happens to be. These are the softwares that are truly ingrained into your industry, your hobby, your life goal, and these are the things that you truly need. So I'm sure anyone that's watching you will need those too when building a similar fate, a similar business. So why not refer to them and help everybody out? You've given them the information, they believe in your trust, and poof, away you go. Go live. You'll be amazed how many people from your audience are engaged enough that they'd like to see you live. Can you talk? Can you mumble your way through a live stream and say hello? This is your chance to kind of interact and engage. You can either pre-record a video and premiere it, in which it's live and you can comment in the section next to it, or are you willing to talk to a camera for 20, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, interacting, engaging with your audience? This is a chance for you to get donations and subscriptions from people. YouTube has slowly turned itself into Twitch from 3, 4, 5 years ago. You can now click join and you become members of a channel. You can send stickers, which are effectively bits, and you can send super chats where you can get a message pinned at the top of a super chat thingy, so your chat stands out and the creator can see it more. All of these are good ways for your community to engage with you, and just imagine I sit here for an hour and talk about all of your troubles, and I engage and I tell you, tweak this and change that here, Jimmy, this is how your channel grows. You might send, you know, the odd £1 or £2 to me to say thank you for helping you, and off you go. Live streams is open to anyone with over 50 subscribers, so why not? And at the end of the day, even if you just sit there and engage with your audience, those are your die-hard audience members, and it's always good to get to know those people that are willing to sit there and just see you talk for hours online. Patreon. Hey! I'm Blue! Do you like it? Give me money! I've never truly joined Patreon. Over the years, I've dabbled and I've researched, because that's what I do. I'm a YouTube educator that needs to understand what's on the outer ring of what I do so I can start teaching it to clients and understand how it works. But Patreon on crowdfunding sites literally do that. If you've got other things that you could do. Say, for example, you wanted a live stream from me each and every month where I only answer questions from people that are members. I can either use the membership here on YouTube, or I could use a website like Patreon, where you sign up and you pay me or donate to me a small fee, $1, $5, $10, $20, whatever I agree is the package, and then you would get a service from me. Let's say you wanted to see me travel when I come to conferences. Maybe you want me to take notes at conferences and give you cliff notes as talkers. Whatever it needs to be, right? These are the things that you can give away on Patreon. They are crowd-funded, community-based income sources. In return, you can give them something unique, something that they don't get on your channel, whether it's one-on-one interaction from you or kind of exclusive content. Emma Blackery, for example, has put out all of her music, and over time she put out her vlogs, and then she releases her albums early, and you get discounts early and that kind of thing. These are widely used, and there are others. If you truly have a more adult mindset, you might not use Patreon, you might want to use OnlyFans or whatever it needs to be. Crowdfunding is a way that you can make money off of this platform without it actually coming from this platform, and if you've got an engaged community, it could be something for you to consider. Merch, t-shirts, teddy bears, phone cases, all of these things can be very easily created, and you don't have to print them yourself. In fact, what I'm going to do is a video very soon explaining how I started my own merch store. Please hit subscribe if you like the idea of watching that video soon. But you can sell your products on Etsy or Teespring and things like that. Merch really does pull people in. It shows you brand affinity with you, and if you can make something that is useful for them, that they like the look of, then even better. Business leads. Don't get it twisted. You'll be amazed how many people that watch your videos, no matter how many views you get, 10, 20, 30, 50 views, all the way up to thousands, there will be people out there that see you as someone that they want to learn from or engage with. I have this YouTube channel as a business platform. I teach you how to use YouTube. In the long run, if you don't want to learn it yourself and you want more direct advice from someone that's been on the platform for 10 years, that's worked with both vidIQ, TubeBuddy, consulted with large companies, those kind of things, then you get in touch with me and maybe I can one-on-one consult with you, just like you would if you wanted to go to the gym and you wanted to get fit. You might get a personal trainer, right? That's what this platform is for me. It's a business lead machine. I like making videos. I like educating and helping you. You might walk away with a free education at the end of this video, and that's fine because you know I exist. Some of you might want to engage with me more personally and scroll down to the bottom of the YouTube video description, click on the Alan contact and communicate with me directly. And you can do the same too with your audience and your speciality. Maybe you really like geocaching and someone wants to go geocaching with you. Maybe you really like digging for gold and someone wants to learn how it works. Maybe you're very good at, I don't know, repairing motorcycles and someone wants to learn how to repair motorcycles, flip motorcycles, sell motorcycles, or just go on a ride with you. These are the things that you can sell for your time, whether it's live streaming, whether it happens to be a video call, or whether it's a physical interaction with the real world. You know, the thing that's outside that window that we haven't been outside of for the last couple of years due to the right? But these are the things that you can also consider as a lead provider, whether you harvest them and push them to other people, or whether you interact with them yourself because you have a service to sell. If you want to know how to make a business out of this and make more money on YouTube, really pushing your brand out here, continue on to this video here, and I'll see you soon.